gumawa ng isang decision-making framework. Do your employees ask you about every single decision, kahit na yung mga maliliit? Tulad ng, Ma'am, pwede ba itong discount? Sir, ano ang gagawin ko dito? Boss, okay lang ba to? Let me share with you the story of Rochelle. Si Rochelle may-ari ng isang dental clinic. Ang pinakamalaki niyang problema, yung staff niya hindi makapag-decide kung wala siya. Pag may patient na humihingi ng discount, tatawag sa kanya. Pag may equipment issue, tatawag ulit. Kahit na lunch break na si Rochelle, multiple missed calls pa. One time, kailangan niyang mag-attend to an urgent family matter and she was away for 2 days. Alam mo ba kung anong nangyari? Yung clinic niya almost stopped running because walang makapag-decide. Yung mga staff takot na mag-decide, takot na mag-action. Ang patients naman, naging napaka-frustrated at yung iba, umalis na at pumunta sa ibang clinic at hindi na rin bumalik. Rochelle realized na na-train pala niya yung kanyang mga staff na mag-follow instructions pero never niya silang tinuruan kung paano mag-decide. So gumawa siya ng isang decision-making framework. Sinulat niya yung mga common scenarios tsaka mga simple rules sa bawat isang scenario. For patient discounts, senior citizens, or special cases, automatically may discount na yon, while all the others would follow the standard procedure. For equipment issues, minor problems would be fixed and noted by the staff. Pero yung mga major issues na kailangan siya, saka lang siya tatawagan. And for appointment conflicts, staff were instructed to reschedule if needed or to politely inform the patient. She posted this framework na malapit sa reception tapos ni-roleplay niya tong mga scenarios with her team. Kaya within 2 weeks, the calls asking for decisions dropped dramatically. And si Rochelle finally took a real vacation with her family and yung kanyang clinic was able to run smoothly. So anong lesson dito? Ang team natin does not lack intelligence. What they lack is permission at saka guidance. Kaya anak, isulat natin yung mga top decisions na parating tinatanong ng ating team. At for each one, create a simple rule. If A happens, then do B. Kaya let's be business-minded, Pinoy.